Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a transaction limit on the NC Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet application on your device, and after entering your PIN code or biometrics, you will be taken into your wallet page. From here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and now tap on Limits in order to set your transaction limits. You will now see the various different currencies within which you can set your limits. Just tap on your desired currency and now you can either set a 24-hour limit or a monthly limit. Tap on your desired option and then enter your desired value. You can then tap on the enable option and now this will set up a transaction limit up to the amount that you have just set. You can change it at any time by going into the option that appears underneath active limits. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a transaction limit within your cryptocurrencies on the NC Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.